Welcome back to another video from South Bay Genesis here in lovely sunny California, Torrance. Right now what we're going to do is go ahead and look at some of your YouTube questions and see if we can answer them for you. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Do we still have to pay for the annual DMV registration on top of what we are paying for Reviver plate? Does the Reviver plate include DMV registration charges? That's a great question. So whatever you have asked for your registration, for example, if your renewal registration cost is $500, just an example, that would be your registration cost, and there would be no additional fees to process that renewal. The only thing that you would have to pay for would be the app, which is $55 a year, similar to a custom plate in California. And if you have the R-Plate Pro or the wired version, it's $75 annually. One thing that's really cool is you can actually put a credit card on file in your Reviver app, and you can earn points and there's no additional charge. So technically you're saving money. If I purchase this and I place this on the rear, do I just keep my original black, yellow plates in the front? That's a great question. So when you do have the Reviver digital plate, it is used for the back only. At this current moment, as we are making this video, there is no front digital plate. What we advise is that you use your original plates in the front and to be, California compliant, and to just have the digital plate in the back. In the near future, we are working on some things such as releasing a vinyl plate insert for the front that would match the rear. But that isn't available at this moment. But if you just keep checking back in the app, you should see some updates on that soon. I'm in Virginia. Could I get this for my car? Unfortunately, in Virginia, you couldn't. As of right now, we're legal in California, Arizona, Michigan, Texas, and Colorado. But it's just a matter of time till we're in the Virginia market, so stay tuned for updates. Hello, John. Can I go to dealer to install this? Yes, you can visit your local dealership, or you can also just YouTube search Reviver install to see a nice detailed video on how to install this. And in a later video, we will cover that too. I'll kind of show you some best practices on how to correctly install the plate. Next question is, what is the cost if damaged to replace? So if this plate is damaged, you do have a limited warranty. So, do give us a call, and depending on the type of damage that you have, we do cover a lot of them case by case basis. So just reach out to us on the customer care number, and we'll be happy to help you out with those questions. How long for personalized messages to be approved? There was a few delays recently, for numerous reasons, but as of making this video, I'm pleased to inform you that it should take no longer than 2 weeks. So if you have been waiting for your personalized messages, I would advise you to go check your app right now. Chances are they are approved, so you can go ahead and upload them to your plates. How do you pay for the subscription at the end of the year? When you sign up for the app, it will prompt you to add a card on file. Once you put that card on file, it will bill you annually, and you can always update that right through your app. Another great question, transferring Reviver R-Plate from one car to another. That's a great question. The best way to do that is just to reach out to customer care via your app. You can send a message, or you can call them directly. Let them know you're transferring your R-Plate from one vehicle to the next. All we do is we clear assignment for you, make your plate clear of the previous vehicle, and then you just upload your new registration and a picture of your new plate, and it takes about 24 hours and it will be ready to go so you can install it on your next car. All right, so that's gonna wrap it up for today's questions. If you have any more questions, please feel free to leave it in the comments section, and we'll do a follow-up video to make sure we answer these questions for you. Once again, my name is Austin with the Reviver, and we'll see you on the road.